Yeah, you people are going to discuss about the DT based topic on smart luggage detector for vehicle. Yeah, did you start discussing?
Coming to the introduction, we all know about the DT, right? It is a problem-solving approach, and it has 5 stages. Can anyone say what are the 5 stages?
Empathy, define, ideate, prototype, testing, and
Empathy means thinking from the customer's perspective. And defining the as many solutions. And ideate is coming up with a single idea or a solution for the problem. And prototype is implementing the solution in a physical product. And testing is the testing with some people. Yeah, this is all about 5 stages. So we'll be discussing about the 5 stages deeply in the topic of smart luggage detector for vehicles.
The first problem statement: when we are traveling in mobbed vehicles, we normally forgot some documents, grocery, medications in carriers. So when we are meeting, the documents are very important. So it makes time delay, stress, and anxiety increases.
Coming to the empathy part, there are major 3 parts in this luggage carrier. We missing the luggage. First is risk, theft detection. When we left the something, medication or something cash in the luggage carrier, we have the detection of theft detection. So we have to improve the security purpose and where the luggage and the vehicle are placed. The next anxiety, while we leave the sun in the vehicles, while we going to upwards or lift anything in 10th floor or anywhere, it will more anxiety to come and take the next one. Then coming to the next part, stress. We are going to anywhere or any something else, that is shows the alarm or something else. And time delay, we something mismatch or anything kept in the luggage carrier, we come and need to take this. So this causes the time delay.
so next the define part. And define, we are using the components like Arduino, ESP32 cam, and load cell sensor, and LCD display. So Arduino, or we can use many other controllers like Raspberry Pi and many others. So Arduino and Raspberry Pi, which just act as the brain of our project, which includes which act as a microcontroller for a major action. So next of load cell sensor. So load cell sensor, which used to detect the weight of object which was kept under the mob luggages. So it detects by measuring of weight. It sends to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller displays the LCD to which was location. So for ESP32, which was also used for the image capturing and for security reasons.
So coming to the ideate part, the working principle of this project will be described. We are using Arduino because Arduino is the cost effective. So we are using Arduino in our project, and we have connected the load cell sensors with it. If the load cell sensors detects the luggage present inside the carrier, it will be sending to the microcontroller. It will take decision, and it will be displaying in the LCD of the vehicle. And it is also gives some alert using buzzer in the LCD, or it also gives alert to the user's mobile phone. It is used for real-time luggage tracking, and it is also used for safety of the luggage being kept inside the carrier.
Next, coming to the prototype part, we all know what the prototype means. Physically, we can implement the ideas in our problems. So, like that. Now the load cell sensor are placed in the under the carrier of the mobbed vehicles. If anything's inside the luggage, it will the load cell detect the weight and then measure to the signal to the Arduino. The Arduino will execute the output in the LCD display present in the mobbed vehicles. Like we can also, the user can also see in the LCD if any luggage inside the carrier or not. And then buzzer. The buzzer also connected to the Arduino. If anything's inside the luggage, if the user not see the Arduino, if the user not see the LCD, the buzzer will give the signal to the user. So the user can also identify the luggages inside the carrier or not, and the camera module, ESP32 camera module we are using in this project. Because of basically the ESP32 camera module was used for what the luggage inside the carrier and the thief direction. If the ESP32 camera module capture the image and send to the user mobiles, so the user can easily see what are the luggage inside the carrier, if it is inside the carrier or not, so it present or not. So the user can easily identify what the luggage inside the carrier. These are the prototype in the project.
Next testing part. In testing part, we are using Arduino to and Arduino our project. And in future, we can use a Raspberry Pi. Anybody know what Raspberry Pi?
Yeah.
It is
It is also a microcontroller.
Yeah, it is microcontroller, but we have
Advanced
used advanced version. We have used Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. We like act as a small PC, a compact PC. It act like but we can connect Bluetooth in a Raspberry Pi, and we can address an vibration motor in vibration. We can keep a vibration motor in key. We have move particular radius, it will be vibrate in key. How we can set a vibrations particular radius, we will move particular radius, it will how will be vibrate, how we can know. It is work upon accelerometer. Some accelerometer it will be worked, and next we can address in camera ESP32. If about the ESP32, it's correct, but ESP32 we can use it in Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi has many bits, and we have used how many bits in the Raspberry Pi?
30.
32, 64, 16, many bits are there. We can use we can use OS in Raspberry Pi. We can monitor, and we will be in 32 bits. It will the image captured by an camera ESP32 or any other module. We can capture the image, and it will be stored in the 32 bits. We does not need network connection. Doesn't connect network. We can transfer a image into Bluetooth. We can connect Bluetooth in a high version of Bluetooth. Anybody know about high version of Bluetooth? What is version?
5.3.
5.5. Nowadays 5.5 is coming. It is more efficient to use. We can transmit in many meters, many sound. We can 5.5 is around 20 meters. It will be transmitting image or any signals. We can nowadays Apple's also come out 5.5. And we used to transmit an image to store an image by an Bluetooth device. We can it keeps in particular distance. It will be the person who are on the radiations. The image will be transmitted to the person. We can identify into notification or any other seeing into one particular image camera images, or we can see it. We can integrate it by an AI also, but we can integrate it by AI. We can on hotspot on any other network we want. But we will do another ideas. But how we can do some applications, and we will compile by an LCD monitor, by scooty LCD monitor or more LCD monitor. We can identify it. How the vehicles moving, how many things are inside. We can identify into AI input. The AI is much more than using nowadays.
We can implement the database to the
database. How many data is coming inside. We can identify which document is inside. We can identify the topic. We can know how many files inside. We can get a helmet. Also, it also identify by AI cameras. We have used Raspberry Pi. They are very efficient by using load cell, keep upon buzzering, vibration motor activation, identify things. Many other applications by an load cell sensor. By using HS solution, it's converting analog to digital signals. By identify an LCD or buzzer notification. We can do it in widely testing perspective. We can identify customers perspective. First we can identify how it will be working. It is what we can washing vehicles. It will be not damaged the crash by using in vehicles, but it will cost efficiency by using many other areas. And we can tie up with many companies like in Honda or any other. We can
and
and we
also
can
create
implement the product.
project into the some product and we can sell the companies
Yeah.
to implement in their vehicles.
Yeah.
And the Raspberry Pi also good thing because we in using Arduino we can connect the products separately like Arduino for load cells and camera module we can using separate Arduino and connect the
we
but
can,
using Raspberry Pi we can connect all the products
integrate in one
Raspberry
microcontroller.
Pi.